Hello everyone. Today we are making a captivating airplane animation in PowerPoint. First, insert the base picture, crop it to a 16:9 ratio. Add your text box and type the required text. Now, let's adjust its shadow setting. For the shadow, I recommend setting the transparency to 24%, the blur to 12 points, the angle to 56 degree and the distance to 0. Then apply the grow and shrink animation to the base image. Go to the animation pane and select the effect option. Set size to 120%. Smooth start to 1.4 seconds. Smooth into 0.4 seconds. Check auto reverse. Change the timing to. Change the duration to 5 seconds. And repeat until next slide. Insert the airplane image. And rotate it 43 degrees. Minimize its size so its wings just touch the edges of the slide. Position the airplane on the far left side of the slide. Insert a rectangle and stretch it completely to cover the entire slide. Remove its outline and then change its fill color. Next, insert a right angle triangle. Just like the rectangle, remove its outline and fill it with the exact same color you used for the rectangle. Flip the triangle horizontally and adjust its position. Duplicate the triangle and then flip it vertically. Stretch the rectangle so it seamlessly joins with both triangles. Select all the shapes, right-click on them and choose Send to Back. Then, with them still selected, group these shapes together. If you find that the triangles are not fully covering the airplane's wings, ungroup them to stretch. Then regroup before sending to the back. Now group the airplane image with the group shapes to create a unified object. Select your combined object, then in the animation tab, pick the lines effect. Change its direction to right from the effects option. And stretch the part of slide to the right using Shift. For timing, set it to the start with previous and increase the duration to 4.25 seconds for a smooth, realistic screen. And just like that, we have successfully created a dynamic and professional flying airplane animation in Microsoft PowerPoint.